Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I am going to do an unboxing and opening of a new to me planner. I think the way it's pronounced is called Soothi, and it says Containers of Creativity. Now this is going to be my first time actually looking at this particular planner or journal up close. The company reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in, reviewing the product and sharing my thoughts, and also doing a video and sharing this particular, I think it's a journal, with all of you. So I just opened the box. I just took off the, the packaging that it came in. And so when you actually get the journal, this is what it looks like. And I wanted to show you guys this because I think this is so adorable. This cute little packaging, the way it has, feathers on here. You can see there's a pen on the outside. This is a really, really adorable presentation for the product. Especially if you are giving this as a gift, especially to someone who does not journal like all of us. And so they're not used to seeing, all the amazing types of journals, planners, notebooks, and how beautiful and how unique they all could be. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at what's inside. Now the pen seems to be just a simple black pen, and I'm guessing it is a felt tip pen, and it is. And I hope it will focus on there so you can see. So that's nice that it comes with the pen. Like I said, especially if you're giving this as a gift, to someone who does not journal and have a million pens like the rest of us. So let me go ahead and cut the tape. Now the first thing that strikes me about this particular notebook or journal is that it's a little bit smaller than the journals I already have. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm thinking it's probably maybe like a B6 size. At least it seems to be. Okay, so let me show you guys how this is packaged. You can see that the notebook is inside a plastic wrap. Wow, look at that. You guys, this is so beautiful. Now, when the company reached out to me, they asked what particular design I would like on my journal. And I am a Virgo, so I chose the Virgo, sign here. And then it comes with this really nice little note. It says this is not a journal. This is the catalyst and container for creativity and change. This is a purposeful universal object that physically, personally connects you to your greatest inspirations, aspirations, ideas, and to the world we all share. And then here is their social and website here. So cute, you guys. Okay. So this is a leather-bound journal. And yes, if I had to bet on it, I'm going to say this is about a B6 size. Okay, I hope you can see the details and all of that. Look at how detailed this is. And then on the back, you have other designs of the other constellations. So cute. Now this would work really well for a spiritual journal. Let me go ahead. Oh, and it smells really good. At least it does to me. I like the way journals smell. New notebooks and new paper. I really love that smell. And of course, I love the smell of leather too. Let me see. Yeah, it smells really, really nice. So you open it up And you have this beautiful, it feels like that handmade paper. You know, it's kind of thick and you can feel the fibers inside. Wow. It's almost like the paper feels like a linen cloth. So I'm not sure how many pages you get, but obviously, you know, that's a good amount. And it's unlined, and like I said, it feels like that handmade linen cloth-like paper. And then in the back, just looks like the paper is glued onto the leather cover. And then you have this design here on the spine, which is really nice. And then you have a cord here that you wrap around to keep the journal closed. Now, I'm not sure if I would use that cord. Like, I think I would probably maybe cut it off, but I don't know if that would ruin, you know, the journal. But I'm not one, I don't prefer like the wraparound closure, so I'd rather have no closure, or if there was a way that I could restring this, or maybe, you know, put an elastic in there or something. I don't think I can, because I don't think I can, yeah, I don't think I can get to that part of the cover. No, I don't think I can. So, now let's see, does this, oh yeah, okay, so it lays flat for the most part. You know, obviously if you're writing in it over time, because it's, you know, leather, and because this feels like that handmade paper, I'm sure like just working with it and writing in it every day, the book would lie flat. But it lies pretty flat, even without, you know, brand new right out of the box. And I love how the paper, you know, you can kind of see, you know, the pieces of it, you know, the fibers inside. So the paper is pretty thick. It feels like watercolor paper almost. So I'm pretty sure that it would hold up well to, you know, gel pens, fountain pens, markers, paint. It's just really, really nice. This is such a unique journal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this up close look at Soothi. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I'll have the link down below to their website in case you're interested in seeing all the different, you know, options that are available. I also have a discount code for you. So if you are interested in making a purchase, I think she said the discount code is good until the end of the year. So if you want to give this as a gift for the holidays, you know, this would be a beautiful gift. I mean, I would love to receive this. So there you go. All right, so if you guys have any questions about any of this, feel free to drop me a comment or question, concern, observation down in the comment section below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.